Too much history have you make it so hard to leave ya. What you do? Big man thing, me not.
Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha and whatever. And welcome back to my channel. And as you can tell by the title, if you clicked on this video, then you most likely already know what the deal is. So all YouTubers, all small YouTubers watch this. So basically this is like a way of small YouTubers to network and get more engagement, more subscribers, more comments, and all that stuff. So we basically just help each other out in the comments. So just down below, comment down below your goal, and throughout time and a whole bunch of people will come and we'll all subscribe to each other. Don't forget to subscribe to me, and whoever subscribes to me, make sure you comment down below done, and I'll be sure to subscribe right back, and I'll even leave a comment and like a couple of your videos just to increase your engagement and your algorithm and put your video a little bit more out there. So I hope that we can all help each other reach our goals, especially of 2020. And you know, with all the new YouTube rules, it's going to be a little bit harder for us small YouTubers, but together we can make it to the top. I'm going to be leaving my sister's YouTube channel link down below and my best friend's YouTube channel link down below. So also subscribe to them, and yeah, let's just help each other out. And I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. Bye.